Whether you create a note from scratch on Chartnote using snippets, dictate, or use our AI scribe on your phone, transferring your notes to Charm is quick and easy with just one click. Using our Chrome extension, you can seamlessly integrate Chartnote with Charm through intelligent mapping. This feature allows you to map Chartnote document sections to specific Charm fields for a streamlined workflow. When you open the extension, you'll see all your notes displayed in this section. The extension will automatically detect if you have a note open in your EHR, enabling the integration process. To begin, click here to proceed with the initial mapping. You only need to do this once per template. On this window, you'll see your Chartnote document on the left and the Charm fields on the right. Simply select a Chartnote section and drag it to the corresponding Charm field. You can even assign multiple sections to a single field if needed. If you wish to make changes, you can easily unmap a section. Remember, adding all sections is optional. Once you've completed the mapping, click Apply Mapping to save your settings, and your note will transfer into Charm instantly. After the initial mapping is set up, transferring notes becomes a breeze with just one click. Need to revisit or edit your mapping? Simply click here. With intelligent mapping, Chartnote takes medical documentation efficiency to the next level. We're continually working on deeper EHR integrations, so stay tuned for exciting updates.